Hello, hello, hello. I want to show you a wonderful site. It's called Starfall. Now, if you don't know where to find this site, just go to Google and just type Starfall. There. It's this one. Click here. And let's get started. Go to kindergarten over here. Alright. So if you bought some of the readers, this is for K2 middle class. And here's all the wonderful readers. So let's say if you bought the books, you could look at the title and match the one that you want and open it. So let's do Zach and the Hat. Here we go. Let's click onto that. There. Zach and the Hat. See, when you click onto it, it talks back to you. So, if you don't know how to read, you can click this over here and listen.
Zach has a bag.
There. Wow. Look, and it moves. Whoa. Now, if you don't know how to read this word, you can click it. See?
Zach.
Or what's this word?
Bag.
Bag. And here you go to the next page. There. And when you're finished with the book, you get, or if you don't want to read this one, you want to go to another book, click this X, and there you go. And here's so many books here just for you to practice. All right, keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.